When we believe happiness comes from outside of us, our happiness is fleeting. We can easily fall into a habit of putting our happiness on hold until conditions are right. I'll be happy when I graduate, find a partner, get married, make more money, lose weight, have a baby, buy a house. The list goes on. We wait for something or someone to make us happy. We seek happiness through the next material thing or experience. But it's impossible to have lasting happiness from external things. We can enjoy all the wonderful things that we want to be or do or have in the world, but we can enjoy with the knowledge that the only place to find real, permanent happiness is within us. Standing between you and permanent happiness is a thought. I don't want this. And believing this thought, you become unhappy. If you feel unhappy, welcome the unhappiness and allow it to be present without trying to change it. Happiness is our natural state. To find happiness, you have to go within, to see the oneness and the universe as it really is. The only place where we can find happiness is right within ourselves. You can be happy in this very moment, no matter what is going on around you. Happiness is not something you have to look for or wait for, because it's right here with you right now at every moment under all conditions. If you open your attention and rest as the infinite awareness that you are, you will be happy. From Rhonda Byrne's The Greatest Secret.